right, this is my Kicker Comp R, about a week in. Still in the break-in, but I can tell she's getting louder, okay? I have a Razar. It's not even enough power. I'm ordering another amp. But with the windows up, single Comp R. I'm gonna back this up a little bit. My mirror is already out of shape. It don't want to stay up, and it's already making a lot of noise. 2016 Chevy Malibu. This little test. Now, if you want to hear what it sounds like, put your earbuds on. But you know how this sounds on the YouTube speaker, so it's going to sound like crap. But I'm recording with my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Here we go. Check it out. This is 1 sub now, and she's getting about 380 watts out of the 500 RMS. Looking at the dyno test on the amp on the Razar I got from Walmart, it is underrated, as a matter of fact. But the problem is the sub, I made a mistake and bought a 2 ohm dual voice coil, which means I have to wire it up to 4, so it's not getting all of the power out of the amp that it could, because the amp is 2 ohm stable and you're pushing right about 580 watts, close to 600. So I'm not going to get rid of the sub. I'm just going to get a different amp and wire the sub down to 1 ohm in parallel, because right now it's in series, to wire it up to 4. But actually it's not a bad thing during the break-in time, because by not getting full power, the RMS power is I'm still moving the cone pretty much and getting it flexing, but it's getting louder. I can obviously tell. But I have the Kicker LOC hooked up behind the radio. Had to take this out and install the Kicker interface, and it's running pretty good. Sounds pretty good, but I am going to get some more power for this sub. But this is what she sounds like.
Then how come it is?
This my boo. That's been your demo, folks.